As manufacturing plants are seeking to get more intelligence and data from their production lines, retrofitting your current equipment is the right choice. The Apollo factory is looking to analyze data from a variety of sensors in their production line. They need to collect data from hundreds of different machines for maintenance optimization and energy conservation. So, they are adding industrial airflow sensors on each machine. Now, they are also adding vibration sensors. However, this is complex, requires more cabling layout, and not scalable. Cortego's IO-Link wireless products offer the most cost-effective, simple-to-deploy, flexible, and scalable solution on the market. Cortego's wireless solutions enable simple and cost-effective retrofit and revamp of numerous devices on existing machines specifically designed for harsh industrial environments. Cortego, unbinding the industrial space.